Sky, here I sit, in a spirit dimly lit, warring with the bits of your story I've laid witness. How do I sit? I used to bounce, but hear you trounce such buoyancy. How did I even bounce before? No ceilings, only doors, of course. Those doors quickly became floors to be laid out and unto. Damn, I do dare say I wilt at the wake of pain. Shadow at my feet now so heavy with street. Brothers lost, sisters beaten. All this destruction here in Eden. Why is it this dream we've been forced feeding? Is this the cost of virtue lost? The vice of painful thought exhausts? Memories be gone. Harsh, taxing memories no more. Sky, speak. Speak to me about what I need to feed and fulfill in the face of such evil. To feel innocence lost is a cost, but here you sit, not dimly lit, but instead the very brightness of being. As you come to this vault and halt to exalt all the pains that have come to pass, you find yourself a raft with a strategy to the past for greater good and healing sutures. My beloved, you aren't the only butterfly to be broken on the wheel, but here you feel the very shape of such a treacherous heel. Don't you see how you have found greater light in thee? Bold enough to snuff any evil doing must in the mind of you and others in view. You grow in the good that you sow, now more sensitive and threatening to the evils known. No feeling of lack here for you to hold, for you have been blessed with the beauty of this world and the word to behold. Sky, what's good? I don't understand your smile. How we've been wronged with songs. Songs with such a piercing cry that they mar even those beneath your sky. Songs that have charmed minds into a mind for another kind, another hand to behold and delight in loss of insight, in the chance to take light in spite. Why such hands delight in snuffing what's bright fills my heart with a hateful fight. Sky, and hear you smile. What's good, godly ghosts that host and boast of better flutes that sing songs in tune with the love and empowerment of you? Here I kneel in wake of mistakes. How do I recover what the wheel breaks? Help me with peace in the face of snakes and feed me with flowers that prevent heartbreak.